Well, this week I'm bringing out the big guns, figuratively and literally.
Pretty massive, isn't it?
This is a HB Racing D8T Evo 3. This is a 1/8 scale nitro powered truggy. And this is a race kit that I've built up for a very special customer or racer of ours, Mark Lawler, out in South Australia. And he's got a huge race on this week, the RCGP, being hosted at the club that he's president of, Southern Districts Model Club, out there in South Australia. So they got drivers from all over the country coming to visit there this weekend. And in a couple of weeks, he's flying out to Philippines for the Philippines Masters.
International race.
And he wanted a new truggy, and he was pushed for time. And I said, I'd love to take the opportunity to put together a really nice class, hopped up, assembled truggy, so that he didn't have to worry about it. He can hopefully maybe put this on the track a little bit, run it in locally, put it away, pack it in a suitcase, go over to Philippines, put his engine and radio tray in it, and go.
Ready to go really fast.
Ready to go really fast. Jump really high.
These kits already have really well-designed parts, but we've added some little blingy extras,
Yeah, little blingy extras and little things that the team around the world are using. So a lot of it isn't aftermarket, a lot of it is HB parts. So this is the truggy, and and you can just see the sheer size of it. I
love truggy.
Really, really cool. And it's actually not going to be fitted with a truggy body, but one of those ruggy bodies. So which is a slimline body which ends at the shock tower.
So whereas a truggy body looked like a truck,
it would cover the whole nose and look like a ute. Come back to a flat bed.
So a bruggy looks more like a buggy.
Like a forward cab buggy. That's right. So there you go. And some of the features of this car or this truck that we fitted are so a lot of them from the local manufacturer Berserk RC. We just had another follow-up delivery from him today. So we've got carbon arm inserts in here.
Should we have a look on top?
Let's go to Overhead Town and take a look here. So we've got carbon arm inserts front and rear. We fitted it out with HB 20-degree caster blocks.
What are the original ones?
12.5 in the kit. So just the setup has evolved. Like I said, there's nothing hotted up about it. It's still one-piece CNC machine billet alloy. But the setup's evolved a bit. We've got yellow springs instead of gold. The
tires?
The tires, of course. We've got Hot Race Amazonias on there in a soft compound. So I want him to take those. We've got a little bit like the Aramax enclosed wheel nut. And that's really good because it saves all crap going into your wheel hub.
Well, that's right.
And servicing your drive shafts.
Well, you normally have to dig it all out before you undo your wheels, right?
That's right. So that's really, really cool. What else have we got fitted in? We've got Exotec ball race steering.
So you can just see the orange anodizing,
the black and orange anodizing in the steering rack there. Now, you've seen this on other 8-scale buggies that we've built from HB. Really, really nice addition, and I'd highly recommend it to anybody who's got one of these buggies or truggies. Looking further down, again, we've got a Berserk RC radio tray brace, carbon fiber. Again, that's just to hold your servos and everything in place, raise them up off the deck a little bit to save them smacking into the chassis. Looking further back in the chassis build, we've got a carbon fiber Berserk rear carbon fiber shock tower. Again, now what that's done, it's got a slightly different geometry to the standard shock tower, allowing the truck to have more droop. So more droop, more turn in, and it's able to absorb bigger jumps. So flat landing, basically. So you can over jump things or drive it a little bit less finesse. And the shocks will take it. And then we've also got the Berserk carbon fiber wing brace up here. So usually they just have two wing buttons, but this has got the wing brace, so it keeps the whole rear wing mount more steady and stable. Whether it's better for aero or just better for strength coming to our races. Again, we can see it's fitted with carbon fiber arm inserts.
They'll stiffen it up quite a lot.
Really, really good build. And that is the current buggy. I wish I had a nitro engine and stuff here that we stick on the starter box and start it up. Remember when Alan started the buggy in here?
It did for a short time.
That was phenomenal.
Bit echoey.
Yeah, it was pretty noisy. So this is Mark's new truggy,
Good
and
stuff.
I'm really
Looks
looking
awesome.
forward to sending this out to him. It's been a long build. Like went together really, really well. Not much hand finishing required, and the diffs and everything are beautiful, absolutely beautiful out of the box. They're just beautiful diffs.
Yeah, nice.
So we've done it all with Savage Sam's setup sheet.
Yep.
So we've used his spec diff oils in there, and I really hope that Mark's happy with that, and I hope that it does him proud. So so that's what I've been working on for the past fortnight.
Good work.
And I've really enjoyed it. Another story about 1/8 is we've got a new driver on board, Tom Huggins.
Oh, yes.
So he's got the electric buggy that we built up, that green and pink one, the Hearns exclusive
one. Yes.
He's hitting the track for the first time this weekend here in Melbourne. So good luck to Tom. And we'll be out at the club out there in a couple of weeks running at the EMCC Cup.